Someone forgot to press record. This girl.
Are you a medium to dark skinned person and wondering how to highlight and contour for your complexion? If you are, then this video is exactly what you need, so just keep watching. This is the third series of my tutorial with my friend Arushi. She's such a bubbly personality. It was really fun doing this video with her. And yeah, there's one more video coming up, so be sure to stay tuned for that.
It dried already?
It dries so fast.
Oh yeah. I should have told you that. Okay, we'll make it.
You should have told me that.
Yeah. I forgot. I was enjoying the moment.
From today, when you're done watching this video, if you are a culprit or you've been a culprit of applying foundation that does not match your complexion, please desist from that.
This one's for highlight.
You put here. And for the highlight, you take a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. And for contouring, you take one that is darker than your skin tone.
It's basically all places that the light hits, right?
Exactly. I've lived in Ghana for most of my life and I thought I had seen bad makeup. But when I came here, let me tell you, I've been seeing ghostly looking makeup. People who, they don't want, I don't know why. Okay, well, I know why. It's just because of the whole fairness craze. So people would rather have foundation that doesn't match their complexion so that they look lighter. It looks ashy, it looks gray, it looks so off.
You can really reshape your whole face. Look at the magic. Wow. Look at it. Oh.
Relax your face.
Wow. I'm just shocked. That's a big difference. In a good way. Wow. I really should learn after this.
As you apply the makeup, remember to blend because blending is key in makeup. I can't stress that enough.
I really love this. This is so good. And the jawline, go for it. Wow. Like I'm just so impressed of like how you just this bit and I'm like, wow.
Thank you. Let me show my face. Oh, never mind. Turn to the other side. Like you're like nodding like yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. I really like it.
Thank you. Okay, so some powder.
Someone forgot to press record. This girl.
A little bit. Smiling again.
Good.
Back to what I was saying, I do see a lot of people in Malaysia, even as recent as this week. When I was walking, I saw somebody who, she like had this white cast on her face, and it's those lightening stuff, you know. Sometimes it's the foundation, other times it's the lightening product that they put. And I don't know why you want to walk around looking like a ghost. Sometimes I wonder, like, where are their friends in all of this? Where's their family in all of this? Where are your people who can hold you accountable and be like, yo, this thing you're doing is not nice. You don't look good with this white thing on your face. Just, you know, take it off and buy your actual foundation color. You are rich in your own color, so appreciate your skin for what it is and, you know, rock it. Why make it fade? Why? Don't conform to the pressure of this world. There's too much going on, like, at this point, especially in 2019. Like, so let's win together, let's slay together, let's stay melanated together. All right. If you're in Malaysia, I know that not many local companies cater to medium to dark skin tones, but there are international brands that do. So just go into a makeup store and get one that matches your exact shade.
Ooh. Look at that glow. Woo.
You're so cute.
Thank you.
Okay.
Where does it naturally fall? This way, yeah.
I feel like I'm hurting you.
Are you sure? Trust me, Asian parents, when we've been brought up with like people pulling our hair and like brushing, don't worry at all. Like I'm getting goosebumps. Just like it's such a relaxation type of thing.
The finished look is here. She looks so bomb. She looked bomb before. She looks even more bomb after. Makeup is to enhance your beauty. So if there's any one of you here who's like anti-makeup, embrace your natural, like, yes, definitely embrace your natural beauty. Do so. And if you want to wear makeup, wear it. Just don't be so dependent on makeup that you can't go out of the house. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna sign out now.